Hi y'all, so today we're going to be making Huckleberry Burgers. Now let's start with what makes this burger the burger. So we got 2 pounds of ground beef here. We got some huckleberries. Now if you don't live in a region where huckleberries are accessible like I do, they're just a variant of blueberry. We have some blue cheese and we have some breadcrumbs. For the fixings we have tomatoes, lettuce. Now you can use whatever cheese you want. I'm using Swiss cheese because it really complements the blueberries and obviously your buns. But you can use whatever fixings you like. We're just focusing on the burger patty itself in this video. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright, so in our mixing bowl, we're going to start with 2 pounds of ground beef. Then we're going to take 2 cups of, I'm using frozen huckleberries. So 2 cups of frozen huckleberries. They're also going to go in with 10 ounces of blue cheese. We're also going to hit 1/3 of a cup of our breadcrumbs. Now we're just going to give this all a good mixing. Now we're going to go ahead and form our patties. And this really depends on the size of buns you're using, on how big your patties are going to be. And depending on the fat content of your burger, they'll also shrink down, so be aware of that when you form these things. So form them a little bigger than your hamburger buns. And you can also stack your patties when you're forming them. Just go ahead and put a piece of wax paper between each layer. Now we have our patties. We're going to cover this with another layer of wax paper. And the key to a good burger, we're going to throw these in the fridge for at least an hour to rest. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so on a medium-high heat, we're heating up our pan that we're going to cook these in. Then we're just going to place them in. Now we are going to cook these for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Only flip once. Alright y'all, so it's been about 4 to 5 minutes. Go ahead and flip them. And we're going to cook these for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Alright y'all, so after another 4 to 5 minutes, we have our Swiss cheese. Like I said, you can use whatever cheese or not use cheese, but Swiss complements the berries really well. Just drop a little bit of water in, cover that, steam it till that cheese melts. Then we're going to pull them off. Then rinse and repeat until they're all cooked. Alright y'all, and there we have it, a Huckleberry burger. I got some lettuce, tomatoes, some tater tots on the side. But if you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. If you want to see anything cooked on this channel, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.